Good morning, everybody. Today is Sunday and we are on another nature walk, and today we are in a place called Grimley in Worcestershire, and we have found this little nature walk that we decided to take today. So I will quickly flip the camera around now and show you how amazing this place is.
I know.
Okay guys, so we've literally just walked over like a field, and as you walk over the field you come through a gate, and then you're actually presented with this beautiful lake that's behind me. You seem to have geese, swans, just different sort of like birds and ducks, and also just over to my right over this side there are some storks as well, which I'm going to try and get a closer look on. But this is the view that I have. It's such a beautiful walk, and also, so if you look to your right, you're covered with all of this little bit of lake here, which is gorgeous. And then if you just turn the camera slightly to the left of me, you've got this beautiful pampas grass, absolutely beautiful. And then literally just peeking through there, you may be able to see we've got a couple of swans. So I'm going to continue to walk around and see if we can get any close-ups of these swans. Okay guys, so just at the minute I'm just literally sat just right at the edge of the lake, and my view is just absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just going to flip you around so you can have a look what I can do. It is just so relaxing here. You can see just in the distance there, And just far in that tree over there, I don't know how well you can see, guys, over there, but there seems to be some birds or something sitting in the trees. It's just a really beautiful view. Everyone, so we have just done the whole loop of the it's like almost like a circle that you can walk around, and you get all the lakes, and you're surrounded by all like wildlife, birds, ducks, as you can see in the footage. It's just absolutely beautiful here. So this is the view that I get just at the minute. So as you can see, it's just absolutely gorgeous here, and this is the view from the top. Now we're just going to make our way. We just found another gate that says a footpath, so we are going to make our way a bit further on and just see if we come across anything else. These beautiful daffodils that we've just seen. Okay guys, so we just walked up that other route and now we're making our way back towards the car to leave. There wasn't much up there. It was like a little village, but somebody was selling flowers and stuff, so I managed to get some bits of footage of that. So you can actually purchase flowers in the middle of the village, which is absolutely gorgeous to come across. But yeah guys, so that the nature walk we went on today, like I said, we're in a place called Grimley in Worcestershire. It's a quite hidden like footpath place where you can actually come for this walk, so it is very hidden, but yeah, you'll be able to see it if you see the signs. But yeah guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I shall be back again next week for another nature walk, and I do believe that we'll be going up to the Malvern Hills. So yeah, I look forward to seeing you all there, and I shall see you all very soon. Okay guys, so just as you exit the walk, you can come across this where you can actually get eggs here, because this is actually a farmyard just over there. You might be able to see just in the distance the farming house, but they do where you can actually purchase eggs. So you literally lift this off, and as you can see, egg boxes in there, and obviously they haven't got any eggs today, but you leave your money in that little jar and then you can take your eggs, which I think is a really cool, nice little thing. £1.50 as well for half a dozen. So there you go, something else on our walk.